Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Rowing with Rudgie. Well, like the rest of Britain, I've just been to the beach actually, not like the rest of Britain at all, collecting driftwood. There's a few bits and pieces there, because to make a living and not interact with any other human beings, I've found that I'm quite into doing my driftwood stuff. I already do draw cartoons. I've got a page on Facebook which you might like to check out. I don't know, you might not. It's called Cool Stuff by Rudgie, and I do cartoons of people's cars, motorbikes, houses, businesses, boats, people sometimes. And anything they want me to do really, but I've started to add a bit of driftwood sculpture into that, table lamps, mirrors, the usual stuff, you know, a lot of people do. Anyway, I was asked the other day how I came about living on a boat. It's also been pointed out by an ex-girlfriend that some people think I'm loaded and living the life of Riley. That's not the case. So see if I can briefly explain it, because I will be doing a proper film about this when I get some help to edit it. But in brief, yeah, I used to live on a narrowboat when I was younger that belonged to my family, and then I brought it off my mother and father and lived on that for a while. Then I got married and moved down to Devon, as you do, and had kids, and my boat was sold and the money disappeared into the family, as it does. And then I went through a really heated divorce, and at the time we bought a gentleman's yacht, a wooden gentleman's yacht, 30 foot with an aft cabin and fore cabin, called Jorro. So when the divorce happened, I moved on to there. Had a nervous breakdown, recovered, girlfriends went and came and went, and I lived happily on that boat for 10 years in Torquay Marina. And then it came out for some minor, what we thought was going to be minor repairs, which turned out to be quite extensive, and I got let down by the guy who was doing that. So it got moved from there to Nos Marina, and then Nos Marina got brought out by another company. It was a catalogue of errors really, and some really bad luck on my part. They wanted me moved out because I wanted to develop the site. I got let down again, and the project went backwards again. It took all my savings to rescue it, blah blah blah. And it culminated in me falling off it, nearly killing myself. My injuries are quite extensive, and it means that physical work isn't a good idea for me anymore. So that was that, and I thought I'm probably going to have to scrap the boat. But Andy and Jenny of A&J Thomas Boat Builders, Gampton, who I can highly recommend. Andy's a good friend of mine and Jenny's a very close friend of mine. They decided that they'd had enough of watching this traumatic event happen and decided to get me back in the water. We spent a lot of time getting Jorro to look pretty and be a serviceable boat in the water again. And to cut a long story short, I sold her a year ago now, all over that, and brought the boat that you see now on my videos. If you hit videos on my channel, you'll see hundreds of things I've done, and Sovereign Bay, my new boat, is just one of them. I've just happened to notice a friend of mine, I don't know whether you're going to be able to see this, is coming down the river. Anyway, yeah, I now live on a boat called Sovereign Bay, but it hasn't been an easy ride, guys, you know. I had to work for it, but that's the story so far. Now there's 6 of us, I think, live on boats where I am, all look after each other. One of them's about to turn up. We'll put the oars away for a minute, we'll keep the social distancing going. Where's he gone? Let's have a look. There he is. Pirate Chris. Ahoy there! He is as mad as a box of wasps. I say, it looks like he's going to broadside us. Either that or he's going to wash me overboard and all my wood will start floating about, won't it? So yeah, this is Pirate Chris. You've probably seen him on one of my other videos. If you look on my YouTube page, hit videos and look through them, you'll see him in his little dinghy. He's as mad as a bag of wasps. He's just been all the way over there. I watched him. Disappeared into the distance. What horsepower is that, Chris? 2.5. 2.5?
Yep.
He's got a 2.5 horse outboard. See, on a little rubber ring.
It's not even running right either. It's only doing two knots less than what it should.
See, it's just not wired up right. So if you are thinking of living on a boat and you are completely nuts like me and Chris, then it might work.
Probably.
If you're not, did you know you've got a broom handle as a handle for you?
It's a four handle.
Oh dear. What are you going to do if you need your oars? Oars, I said.
Take it off. I didn't say oars.
Yeah, so that's living the dream, really.
They go around in circles quite fast, actually.
Got my driftwood. Got me mate Chris here in case my engine doesn't start and I'm too tired to row home.
And vice versa.
Although he'll probably leave me behind.
Yeah.
Although actually it's probably the other way around.
Row your passes.
So it's good night from him and it's good night from him.
See you later.